Hello guys, welcome back. In this video I'm going to show you how to use multiple effects on your TikTok video. That is quite simple and easy, so let's begin. And first open up your TikTok application, and then to create a new video tap on plus icon, and here you can create a new video or you can upload the existing video from your gallery. I will select one of my videos, tap next, and now I can edit that specific video, and I want to add here some effects. For that I tap on effects right there, and here I got a bunch of different effects, and to apply the effect to the video I just tap on effect, tap and hold. Video will be playing back, and you see how it works. I tap, effect is being applied to that part of video, and when I released my finger, the effect stopped applying to video. Next I can move the playback marker to any place, and now I can tap on another effect. I see now how it works, how it will look like, and when I release finger I can now use another effect just like that. And if I want to record new effect to, for example, that part, I just place that playback marker to desired place and then select new effects, and this effect overrides the existing effects. So that's how it works, and when you done, just tap here on save and continue creating your video as you normally do. I hope it helps you, so make sure you like this video and see you next time.